Welcome to the assembly video of the tricycle by Dash Star. The box includes main body, front handle, backrest, side mirrors, musical panel, nut and bolt accessories, axle and lock pin, front and rear wheel. Firstly, take the main body and front handle and align them properly. Insert the lock pin as shown. Take the axle rod and insert it in the body as shown. Insert the bushes and place the rear wheels on both sides as shown. And lock it firmly with the help of a quarter pin. Place the wheel cap on both sides. Now flip the body and place the front wheel as shown in the video. Fix it with the help of nuts. Take the musical panel, open the cell cap and insert the two AA batteries. Now place the musical panel at its place as shown. Place the side mirrors and fix it with the help of nuts. Place the backrest in its place. Now the tricycle is ready for your use.